Welcome to our lesson about decals. Decals are images that you apply to your models. Decals are basically just like labels. I'd like to add a decal to this bottle I've got in the graphic area. Let's begin by expanding the Appearances PhotoWorks task pane. Navigate to the Decals folder. Just simply grab and drag on top of my model. We're going to learn how to adjust the parameters in this property manager in just a second. For now, let's cancel out. Let's create a new decal to use on my bottle. Click here. We're prompted to select an existing decal, or we can click Browse to navigate to our own image. I'm going to use 44 Label Cream. Check Thumbnail to see the preview, and click Open. Let's go to the Mapping tab of the decal's property manager. I'll select the face where I want to place it. This face here. Just drag the image in the graphic area to position it correctly. Now let's right-click and clear that selection. We can unselect everything except features. Select again. Revolve 1 is now selected. The decal applies now only to Revolve 1. Let's try the body level. Right-click, clear selections. Click Body and uncheck Feature. Make our selection in the graphic area. Now the decal applies to the entire body, including the inside faces. Now let's try applying the decal to a face, and we'll unselect Body. Let's clear Revolve 4 and select the face we need. Under Mapping, we can select from 4 different mapping types: Label, Projection, Spherical, and Cylindrical. Let's go with Cylindrical. Axis Direction. We'll use a selected reference. And let's choose that reference now. Face 1. Now we'll adjust the position of our decal. Or we can simply grab and drag it in the graphic area to reposition, to rotate, to resize, etc. Let's uncheck Fixed Aspect Ratio and adjust the position in the graphic area manually. Now let's go to the Illumination tab. Here we've got a number of choices: Constant, Matte, Plastic, Satin Finish. Let's try Satin Finish. Dynamic Help is checked. That means when I mouse over a parameter, a detailed callout will pop out to assist me. Let's change our illumination type to Constant. Sliders appear that allow us to adjust the brightness and transparency. Let's activate the preview window. And here's our preview. Let's close the preview window, click OK, and render our image. And here is the decal applied to our model. This concludes our lesson about creating decals.